Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorma number DS1120-010 Breakout Assembly left-hand carrier. Okay, this is going to be the left-hand version, and the item in the video is exactly the left hand. So be mindful. People are, it's not always quite clear in terms of what's going to be a left and a right on these, but luckily this is the actual item for determining that purpose. A couple of retaining blocks inside of here, obviously fasteners to keep it in. This is the breakout assembly, so on a sliding door where you have a sliding door, a panel, arrangement, you need to be able to exit as if it was a swinging door in an emergency, and the breakout assembly is what helps govern the door's ability to operate in that sort of fashion. Okay, sliding doors, of course, have to be compliant with egress code. NFPA 101 would talk at length about that. The ANSI A156.10 or .19, I'm sure, has tremendous language. One of the two of them will on this. Okay, overall length. The reason I say that is I forget which is low energy and which is high energy. The .10 might be the high energy, which is where I would look. I would assume sliding doors are covered in that. 7.5 inch overall length. Overall width on the back, about 1 3/8 inches. Overall thickness, about 3/4 inch. Roller latch assembly here appears to be, certainly it is, adjustable via these two screws. The screws that are not black, the black ones are holding the roller latch inside of the aluminum extrusion. Weighs about 0.55 pound and is used on ESA and ESA2 sliders. Now the right hand version of this breakout assembly is the part number, just waiting for it to load. So the right hand is a DS1121-010. Okay, so the 1120 is the left, 1121 is the right hand version. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dorma products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Dorma DS1120-010 breakout assembly for left-hand applications or any other Dorma product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.